So today we're gonna do water balloon basketball. Retard alert. So water balloon basketball. Keep you updated. This fool's pissing all over. Okay. So water balloon basketball. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Go.
Go me.
Boo, you suck.
You go.
Dead.
No, you go next, man. What is wrong with you? You suck.
You're the worst. You suck, man. Alright, that's where Eric's landed. Look at this. Look at this. Just like right here. And it's like if you walk a few more steps, it's like all over here. And he's all like Kobe, like if he was the best in the whole world. Yeah, this is all I did. Pose. Okay,
Look at mine, guys. Mine's gonna go.
Boo, you suck. Okay, we'll be back.
And then with sandals.
Making water balloons. Them new socks though.
And then sandals.
Now we're making
Everyone make tiny ones, actually.
tiny ones.
Tiny ones.
You're
Wow.
so teeny. So the first ever yo-yo. Yo. Okay, we'll be back.
It's big enough. It's big enough, man.
It's gonna pop.
Hey, I can see it back.
Tight. Wait, dude, press the button.
No. What the heck?
That could have been awesome.
That chirped on David's head. Yeah, sit down in that position again.
We missed the bird on his head.
Wow, Eric, he's freaking.
Dude, and it chirped. Did you hear it chirp?
Yeah.
It was a cute bird.
At first I thought it was a
it's
moth.
right there. Oh, dude, that's a. What's wrong with the bird? Is it a? I think it's young.
I know, maybe it's playing.
Yeah, that one landed on David's head. David, sit again in that position.
Where is it though?
Just sit down.
But dude, it flies very low. It's a baby bird.
Oh, it's right there, dude. It's right there. It's right there. Look at it fly.
David, get in position.
Dude, wait. Are
It's
you recording?
loaded.
That was on my head.
It's flying. Can I see if it's on our head? Wait.
It's over there.
Why the fuck am I going like a dog?
It's a baby bird.
Oh my gosh, it's
David, tie it.
Like this.
tiny.
I heard it chirp again.
I know, it's so
Where is
beautiful.
it?
It's right there.
I see the nose is orange.
Kind of hard to see, but you can see it's
Give me the color.
It's a very. It can fly very low.
I know, because it's a baby
That's your
bird.
extra.
Wait. Let's see.
Oh, there's
Wait.
two.
Let me get like really close
The
to
other
it.
one over there. The other one is over here.
Even that's not a baby one.
No, but it's another one.
Where's it though?
It's right there.
Oh my God!
It flew in my hand.
Oh, there's two actually.
Yeah,
I
there's two.
know.
One's older.
See? That one's it.
Let's see if it flies on my hand again.
Oh, I touched it! It was amazing!
It went on my arm.
Holy's coming out here.
I can see it right there. Come on. Oh. He was on my shirt. Oh, you. It's amazing. He's on my hand. Dude, it's so cute.
I know.
Do you think it came from here?
Maybe.
Oh, so cute. I touched
He landed like amazing.
Did it go
Are
like
you recording? Ow!
It's a baby one.
Leash. You're gonna scare the bird, Uli. Was it on my head?
No, it was.
Oh. I should have recorded it in time. Guys, Eric has a bird in his hand.
Oh. I hold.
There it goes. Guys, this is a bird that we supposedly guessed was born. And Eric's maybe this
So
nest
a little nest in the tree.
has a little brother. It has a brother too, an older brother.
I want to hold it.
Put your hand in there. Willie's getting in the way.
Oh,
Eric, here, hold it. Put your hands out. Try to catch it in here. Did you get him? No. He's so close though. I'm petting him. Oh, he is currently on the camera. He is on the camera, people. Oh shit. Oh, dude.
Okay, here he is.
We're guys. We're gonna name this little birdie.
What should I call him?
My name is Dave.
His name is Jeff, guys.
No, he's
Jeff.
he's Batman.
Jeff. Call it Jeff.
I'm gonna text this
Let
bird.
me hold.
Let me hold it.
I'm gonna hold it.
Let David hold it. Let the cameraman hold it.
Let me hold it.
Hey guys.
Wooly,
just, like,
it's gonna
hit his
fly
hand.
away.
He has to let.
I want to show my parents.
Just go take him inside.
Oh,
I'm gonna hold it.
his claws.
really hold
You guys. Oh, yes, man.
You gotta be quiet. Be careful. Be careful. Don't go.
Oh, dude, it's going to fall.
Eric, stop recording the video and record another one
No,
just of the
just
bird.
keep on recording. Keep on recording.
Dude, you gotta go like that. You can't hold it.
It's on the board. On the board. Ahí está. No, tocamos.
A ver.
¿Dónde estaba?
Allá.
Ahí del...
Es del de ese.
Ujú.
Hay que no, porque se va a enojar su mamá. Se enoja y se muere. Sí, allí debe de tener el nido.
Ahí tiene uno
Un
más
nido.
grande ya.
Sí. A ver, ponlo para atrás.
No, pues es que ahí boles. Déjalo más. Déjalo.
Está llorando.
Ponlo para atrás. Ponlo a su nido.
No
No, estaba
puedo.
volando.
Él puede volar. Mira, déjalo.
¿Dónde está el nido?
Mira.
A ver, ahí pónselo cerquita.
Mira, ¿ves? Puede volar.
Ah, ok.
Nomás que él ya.
Está muy bonito.
Okay, well, this is the end of the video. Peace out.